This is a late model. We'll have the exact year in the description. Horizon Stitchliner system with the Hoff feeder setup. We'll walk you through the components here. On the top here you have the CF400, which is your cover feeder, which will do up to 14-inch by 24-inch stock. On the bottom here you have your pile feeder, which is the Hoff pile feeder, HOF 400, which will again do up to 14 by 24 stock. It also has, you can see here, it feeds with dollies, so you can actually roll your dolly right over to here and just load it right up without having to adjust the paper. Next you have your Horizon accumulator here, which is your AC 400. That will, as it feeds the books, it'll accumulate, get a whole set and then send them on here to your ACF 30, which is your folder right here. After it folds the booklet, it'll feed it on to the SPF 30S, which is your saddle stitcher. They have two heads on this one. I believe you can add more. On to the next thing here, we have our 3-knife trimmer. The HTS 30S has a hand feed station there. Go ahead and pop these up. Show you what's going on with the hood here. There's your rear knife there, the first knife there. It's got a total of 5.8 million books made on it. And then here are your other two knives under here. Looks like a really clean machine, really well maintained, well taken care of. This is your delivery conveyor, and it also has the optional blowing system on it to do all the scrap removal, which can go up into whatever bin you like, just like they got right here. So it takes all the scrap off the 3-knife trimmer. We didn't mention it before, but we are running Honer heads down there on the saddle stitching unit. Over here is your setup, your touch screen. I believe that's a 8-inch touch screen. Everything on this machine is automatic setup. The saddle stitching, the 3-knife trimming, the feeder, everything. You can save programs. You just type in your size. The machine sets it up. I think the changeover on the job's like 20-30 seconds, and you're on to the next job. We also have available for sale if you need it. There will be. You can roll a Horizon knife unit right up to this thing and do a knife fold after the fact. We're going to go ahead and run some books. Turn the blower on, it can get a little noisy. It's going to run up to 45,000 sheets an hour. Go ahead and it's accumulating them here. Going over to jog them and fold them there. Saddle stitching here. This is it turning towards the 3-knife trimmer. Now we're not running this anywhere near capacity, we're just giving you a quick test video. The machine can run up to 45,000 sheets an hour. Go ahead and shut it down here. We'll show you some books we made. Grab one of these. So we're feeding 100-pound cover stock and 30-pound tech, something like that. Makes a nice clean book, 3-knife trimmed, fast setup, Horizon Stitchliner system with Hoff pile feeder for digital work.